One day, this will happen when you're decorating your cake. Don't worry, don't panic, don't scream. I'm going to show you how to rectify this and get your cake looking all nice and smooth. You'd never even know that anything went wrong. First thing, you want to be working on a chilled cake. So in this case, this cake is actually chilled. I had put it into the fridge to set and it was too close to something in the fridge and it took up a whole chunk of buttercream and the cake. If this happens on soft buttercream, don't do anything first. Put it in the fridge to set so that the buttercream is nice and firm and it will be easier to work with a chilled cake. So you want to apply some buttercream gently to cover up the defect. Be careful not to smudge the underlying cake because you don't want to get any cake crumbs into your buttercream. Depending on how deep the defect is, you may need to apply a whole nother level of buttercream around the whole cake so that when it comes to smoothing the buttercream, you have a nice finish. In my case, I was going to apply another coating anyway, so that's why I covered the whole cake with some buttercream. Once you are happy that you've nicely covered the cake with generous amount of buttercream, whip out your buttercream smoother and smooth the sides of your buttercream. In this case, I didn't need to do another layer of buttercream because the defect wasn't so bad. If you do need to do another layer because you haven't perfectly covered the defect, again, pop it into the fridge to allow it to set so that that layer that you've put in now sets. Bring out the cake after about 15-20 minutes and then go over it again with your smoother and applying the buttercream until you have a finish that you are happy with. So I've shown you how you can rectify things that go wrong with your buttercream, and they will go wrong. That's part of cake baking, but you're not going to panic because you know how to rectify it. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you are missing out big time. Do subscribe to Dr. Mummy Cake's channel for more cake making and cake decorating tutorials. And here is our finished cake looking all spectacular. Happy baking, and I'll see you next time.